Remote control and diagnosis service. Our system, via the serial port to TCP/UART module, can be linked on the internet to provide instant and remote online diagnosis for the end user. In so doing, System Integrator or Nexstar staff can take advantage of Nexstar monitoring software operating the maintenance mode on the local PC for troubleshooting. Furthermore, Remote Control Command Center via TCP/UART network can retrieve the event log and raw data for optimal parameter setting, provide globally instant after-sale service.